Hey, so it's quite late on in the day. I haven't really done much, which is why it's the first time I'm filming. I was actually on Facebook last night asking people for ideas of what to do today, and nobody gave me any. And then when I woke up this morning I started getting ready, and then I realised, oh, it's Monday, I can go fencing at Strathclyde. So, you know, I was really seriously planning on doing that. Like, I got my kit in the car and I drove out to the train station. And I drove to different train stations, like from my nearest one, just so I'd have more choice of trains home. And I realised I'd been driving in the car for 10 minutes with the air conditioning on full, and I was still so warm that I felt sick. What was I thinking, that I was going to go fencing in weather like that? Really? No. If I'd had a competition coming up or something, okay, maybe. But like, if I felt sick sitting in a car with air conditioning, I was going to feel really sick once I put kit on and started training. So I'm sitting on my stairs, by the way. This is my spiral staircase. I love it. It's pretty. So yeah, it's really warm. I feel much better now because I put on jeans because I'd thought, you know, oh, by the time I come out it'll be really, well, we go to the pub afterwards, so by the time I get home it'll be really cold. So I kind of put my jeans on and a vest thinking I'll be okay, I'll be okay. But it wasn't okay. And I'm home. First thing I done was get changed into like, oh, got a big maxi dress on, so much cooler, much happier. I think I'll go back to my original plan for today, which was I'm going to attempt to make ice cream. I put the bowl for the ice cream maker in the fridge, so it should be ready in a couple of hours. I reckon I'll try and make some kind of ice cream with condensed milk and see how sweet it gets, because I think it should be awesome. Or I could try lemon sorbet because I've got loads of lemons. So we'll see what happens. I'll see what other ingredients I need. I haven't really read the instruction book, which would be a plan before I like break something. Okay, well, I'll come back later once I figure out what we're doing with the ice cream majigger. Could be fun. Could be a disaster. Could be food poisoning. Okay, so I've consulted my ice cream maker manual, and it's got recipes in it, and it seems like the main thing is that you have double cream and whatever you want it to taste like. So I've got double cream, I've got condensed milk, and I've got dark chocolate, and I've got a very, very, very cold bowl. So here goes the experiment with the ice cream maker. Whoa. Yummy. Blonk. So there's going to be really thick, creamy ice cream, hopefully, is the plan. Yeah, it actually goes. As you can see, I'm measuring everything carefully, and in the bottom I've got grated chocolate, so we'll see what this turns out like. It says you're not supposed to stop it and start it during the freezing process, but I think I want to try that, see if I can swirl some golden syrup in it as well, just to make this extra sickening and awesome. So yep, this is going to make a mess, so I'll try and do this holding the camera. Mix thoroughly. I really hope this works, because it's looking a bit like condensed milk and cream don't want to mix right now. Well, I suppose the ice cream maker is going to mix it for me anyway more. So apparently I don't fill this thing the whole way because it expands during, I was about to say during cooking, but that's not it, during freezing. So what are the odds that I like drop this, try to do it one-handed? Oh, I hardly made any, that's fine. Okay, I'm going to stop filming so that I can like scrape this off. So switched it on, it's turning away. I realised I don't need to stop it and start to add golden syrup because there's a hole in the lid. So I licked some of the mixture and it tastes pretty good, so this is looking like it will be a good experiment as long as it freezes. So fingers crossed for me. So I'm having a bit of a disaster. My ice cream machine has now overheated, so it stopped turning it. It's not frozen, and my dinner's in the oven probably burning while I try and sort out this mess. So I'd rather be eating macaroni, but I'm going to get this in a tub and see if it will freeze in the freezer like normal stuff getting frozen. I think my ice cream might be a fail. I've just been checking my wonderful instruction booklet, and apparently it should only take 15 to 30 minutes, and mine's now been on the go for 2.5 hours. And yeah, after it started again after it overheated, and then it overheated again, so I just put the whole bowl back in the freezer, and left it and then put it back again and it's still not froze, and it's like that consistency, so it's really not frozen at all. I noticed something really interesting on the back of my instruction booklet. Where is it? We Aldi stores herewith declare that our travel kettle, ice cream maker, not a travel kettle. So, yeah, I think we can safely say that my ice cream experiment was a fail. I now have some very sticky washing up to do and no yummy ice cream, so not happy. But that's all today, because it's now 10:15 and I'm still trying to freeze ice cream, so major fail. Such a waste of condensed milk as well, I could have just ate that. Anyway, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think I'm going up Glasgow, if I can get out of bed in time. Night.